Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this error in Minecraft. So only two things can cause this error: incorrect port forward setup or firewall blocking the port. So first of all, what you can try to do is press configure Java and press on it. Then you're going to press update and update now. If that didn't fix the problem, you're going to go on search, write down cmd command prompt, right click on it, run it as administrator. And you're going to enter a few commands. I'm going to leave them in the description. And I'm going to also show you alternative if that didn't work. So what we first need to do is to do ipconfig space or /release. Then ipconfig for space /renew. And again, ipconfig space /flushdns. After you've done that, what you need to do now is enter netsh winsock reset. Now, after that one, you need to enter netsh int ip reset. And again, the last one, netsh advfirewall reset. And that's pretty much it. After you've done that, what you will need to do is go ahead and restart your PC. And that should fix your error. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.